Welcome to Yoga with Em. My name's Emmy and I'm going to run through a breathing technique with you called Maha Prana. And it's a technique I learned in India, and I like to start some of my physical yoga sessions in this way. So please find a comfortable seat and let's begin together. Maha Prana. Find your comfortable seat either on your mat, on the earth, or on a chair. Ground down through your sit bones and then relax your shoulders down and lengthen through the crown of the head. So you've got great posture, yet you're feeling relaxed in the body. Once I get into this breathing technique, I tend to close my eyes, so you can do so too if you feel comfortable. And please place your hands over your heart center. We're going to breathe and expand the chest with Maha Prana. So we're going to inhale in and out through the nose. So take a long, deep inhalation now through the nose with me. Pause on full. Now slowly exhale. Feel the contraction of your body in your hands. Inhale with me. Expand the chest fully. Feel the chest expand in your hands. Pause on full. Slow exhale. Once again, inhale. Feel the chest expand into the hands. And a slow exhalation. Feel the body relaxing. Inhale, nice and slow. Really fill up. And then a slow, smooth exhalation. Relax the body. Inhale when you're ready once again. Feel the chest fully expand. And now a slow, long exhalation, once again through the nostrils. If you've got your eyes closed down, you can keep them closed and rest your hands onto your lap. Return to your natural, easy breathing. And pause a moment here. Notice how you feel. Notice what has changed since you first began the practice. And then when you're ready, you can open your eyes and come into the space, maybe to continue with your day in a calm and relaxed manner, or you can begin your physical yoga practice. Namaste.